India's smallest union territory, Lakshadweep is an archipelago consisting 36 islands with an area of 32 square kilometers. The capital is Kavaratti and it's also principal town. All islands are 220 to 440 kilometers away the coastal city of Kochi in Kerala. The sandy beaches, landscapes, abundance of flora and fauna, and the absence of a rushed lifestyle enhance the mystique of Lakshadweep. When it comes to places to visit in Lakshadweep, one will end up with a long list of islands. But there is no such tourist spot or sightseeing to visit. It's a leisure holiday destination. However, you can indulge yourself in numerous water sports and water activities in the island. Planning a trip for Lakshadweep is not such easy. You have to know a lot of things before you visit. So watch the video without skipping any part. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification. You can reach Lakshadweep by ship or flight. Flights are available from Kochi. So first you have to reach Kochi by flight or train, and then by flight or ship you can reach Lakshadweep. Agatti and Bangaram Island can be reached by flight from Kochi. Flight fare will be 10 to 12,000 rupees for both sides per person. And fare for ship will be 1700 to 5000 rupees depending upon berth cabin. Food is included with this. It will take 24 hours to reach the island by ship. You can book for any island whichever you want. To enter Lakshadweep, you have to obtain permit from Kochi. To get a permit, you need to provide name, address, date of birth and place. In case of foreign national, beside those, you have to provide passport and visa details. You cannot go to all islands except 5. Permit is available for only 5 islands, which is Bangaram, Kadmat, Kavaratti, Kalpeni and Minikoi. Now coming to the most important point, which is tour plan. You can plan for Lakshadweep tour as per your budget. I will give you 2 types of itinerary in this video for 4 nights 5 days. If your budget is not an issue, then you can go for customized plan in Lakshadweep. Day 1. After reaching Kochi, get your permit done from Kochi Sports Authority and take customized package which include 3 islands as per your choice. Hotel fare will be 12,000 to 15,000 per night including breakfast, lunch and dinner. So first reach Agatti Island from Kochi. Agatti Island has one of the most beautiful lagoons in Lakshadweep. A 20-bed tourist complex with all modern amenities has been set up here. With coral growths, multicolor fishes and sea turtles, the island is a hub of marine life. Cost for this island resort will be 15,000 per night. So once you reach, spend leisurely in the beaches for rest of the day. Day 2, you can try some water activities. Price for water activities given in the screen. Day 3, move towards the next island, which is Bangaram Island. You can reach Bangaram by jetty. Cost will be 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. It will take 45 minutes to reach Bangaram. Bangaram is a tiny teardrop-shaped island which lies very close to Kavaratti. During night, phosphorescent plankton washed ashore on the coral sands impart a bluish glow to the beach. Bangaram has carved its presence in the international tourist map. Bangaram Island Beach Resort is a good resort where you can stay. Cost will be 16,000 rupees per night. Day 4, move towards Kavaratti Island from Bangaram. Kavaratti is the capital city of Lakshadweep and by far the most developed city. Apart from nature, you can enjoy aquarium museum on the island. Or you can try some water sports there. Lakshadweep Island is also known for seafood and you can try variety of local dishes, fish, coconut and lot more here. Cost for Kavaratti Island will be 8,500 rupees per night. Day 5, back to Kochi from Lakshadweep and then back to your onwards destination. If you want a budget-friendly tour plan for Lakshadweep, then go for Samudram package. This package is a 5-day cruise visit in the island of Kavaratti, Kalpeni and Minicoy by ship MV Kavaratti. MV Kavaratti has 150 diamond class accommodation. Water sports also included in the package. You will spend your 4 nights in the cruise and island visit in the daytime. Two types of tour packages available. Cost for diamond class is 30,500 rupees per adult and 22,000 rupees for children. Cost for gold class is 25,000 rupees per adult and 17,000 rupees for children. So now the day-wise tour plan. Day 1 you will move from Kochi to Lakshadweep. Day 2 they will take you to Minicoy Island. Welcome drink, visiting lighthouse, kayaking will be there on that day. Day 3 they will take you to Kavaratti Island and you can enjoy some water sports. You need to pay some extra if you want to enjoy scuba diving. Day 4 they will take you to Kalpeni Island. Day 5 back to Kochi from Lakshadweep. You can book those package or individual resort through online, link given below in the description box. Best season to visit Lakshadweep is between October to May. Avoid monsoon as reaching by ship is difficult in monsoon. Some extra information for Lakshadweep trip. Lakshadweep is a no alcohol zone. Make sure you carry sufficient cash. The area is not well developed. Hence, penetration of ATM is on the lower side. Carry essential medical supplies, as with the ATM, medical stores also have a low presence. So now this is the cost breakup for both tour plan in the screen. I have mentioned almost all details regarding a decent tour plan for Lakshadweep. If you have any other query, you can drop a comment in the comment section. Hope this video is informative for you guys and you can plan accordingly as per your budget. Stay safe, wear mask.